Now, when I was making my pretty little handle, there was a few problems I encountered. The hole inside, I measured 462, I can't remember, something like that. And I had a reamer, and the reamer was about an inch longer. And this side was going to be the back face. As I was pushing the reamer through, it was going in really nicely, and I stopped pushing. As soon as I stopped pushing, it broke. So, I started hand reaming. I'd left it broken, I hammered the bit out, and I started hand reaming, and I thought, you know what, it's still doing alright. So, I turned the machine back on at about 20 RPM, and I just went through really slowly. It took about half hour to go through with it, and I thought, yeah, it's a pretty good hole, it fits really good. So I'll just ground the end up. First problem encountered. Second problem, when I was boring this hole out, drilling this hole, I drilled it to 11mm, I think it was. It's gone out to 11.6mm because I'd ground the drill flat at the bottom to flat bottom the hole, and it wallowed a little bit, which was fine. But at that point, my snap-on 8mm socket fits down there perfectly. I thought, that's fine, that'll do. Took it out. When it cooled down, of course, the socket doesn't fit in anymore. That's the second problem. The third problem is, I do not possess a metric lathe. Okay? I haven't got a tap Imperial anywhere close to that size. Although, saying that, I probably have. I'll try a 1/2 inch tap in it. Anyway, so what I've decided to do, unless that 1/2 inch tap works, I've got a 1/2 inch tap. Unless that 1/2 inch tap works, I've got this bolt. It's only, whatever that would be. Well, it's 8.8, it's a hardened bolt. I might use a different bolt. It's a 12mm bolt. It doesn't go in the hole. So if it sort of goes in the hole. If I cut some piss slack threads in that, all the way down, to make that bolt thread in all the way down, ish. The first thing that will happen is, it won't be able to do that anymore. Okay? Because it will touch the nut inside, which will make it more solid. The second thing it will do is it will make it look more like this, especially if I put a slot head in it and dome the end a little bit, or taper the end a little bit. Now, what we have is the broken slightly SPI gauge, and I'm making the plug for the handle here. I don't know if I can get this one out of the way, or is it just going to make it worse? Maybe just make it worse. Come on, in you little bugger. Oh, there we go, we can just about get it there. Right. So, what I plan to do is use my depth measurement here to try, yeah, I've already knocked it, to make the screw in bit 456, it says. So with my amazing drawing here, we've got a bore which is this size, and then we've got depth from this face here down to the bolt. Well, actually the nut is flush with the end of the bolt. Getting close to that. And I need to make a slug, so I'm going to put some threads down the bore, 1/2 inch 24. I'm going to make a 1/2 inch 24 slug, which will screw in there 0.456 length, 1/2 inch times 24 dpi, and a slot head screw for that. So basically I've just centre drilled the hole. Pretty simple operation. Stick it in the 3-jaw and centre drilled. Now my centre drilling operation is complete, I can attach you to the lathe top. So now I am getting ready. I need approximately 456. So yeah, that's 1/2 inch, and well, I've got 1/2 inch sticking out, but I want a little bit, because I'm going to part it at the end where the centre's been into it. I want a little bit for fannying about with, and that is